Hello guys, welcome to our presentation PitsGO, and which empowers a sustainable transportation. We are thrilled to showcase our solutions to the challenges of sustainable travel. My name is Harshil, and here with me are Siddesh, Poojan, and Puneet. Today we will talk you through our app designed to simplify trip planning for EV users by providing reliable and real-time alternative fuel stations data. First of all, we will try to solve our problem, which is the rapid growth in EV adoption. Drivers often face range anxiety, the fear of running out of power with no station nearby. Our goal is to eliminate this stress by creating a comprehensive and user friendly solution. Our objectives are simple to help users locate nearby alternative fuel stations and plan the routes seamlessly and provide accurate and real time updates. Now, my teammate Poojan will take over from here.
Hi, this is Poojan Dave. I'm part of Team 3 for SCR 531 and I'll be taking over. So, what we've basically done is create a website that finds nearest gas station for you if you enter all the details mentioned in the website. So, we have made the report paper uh, according to the project description, and in it we've mentioned the problem definition, all the relevant use cases, the approach, and everything. So according to how our website works is we have user interface, a responsive user interface that we made using React, and then we made the backend using Flask, and we connected both of those. We use SPARQL query for the API endpoints, and we hosted that on the Microsoft Azure. And yeah, so that's how we've deployed it. We also created a knowledge graph, and now moving over to Sid.
So hi, this is Siddesh Shetty, and I'm a part of Team 531. So right now, I'll take you through the knowledge graph and the overview of the system. So the heart of our system is in the knowledge graph designed to interconnect various elements such as station types, fuel categories, and accessibility features. Here is how the relationships work visually. So I'm sharing my screen. Can you enable sharing access? Can you enable sharing access for me? Give me a thumbs up once you're okay. Okay, so here is my screen. So here is our SPARQL endpoint, which is hosted on this public IP. As you can see, it's hosted on port 7200, and this is our SPARQL query editor. So let me just take you to the graph. So this is our repository, PitsGO, which has the result-triples file, which contains all of our triples for our repository, and the all file, which is our ontology. So if we click on Explore Graphs Overview, and we click on Default Graph, that's where we hosted all of our RDF triples on. So this is all of our triples. So you can see that we have a station class, which is associated with fuel types using RDF type. So for example, if this is a station, it has all these properties based on its fuel type. So for example, the fuel type of this is LPG. So it has properties like nozzle types, owner type, phone, status code, street address, zip, and located in city, located in country, and also access code and all of that. So we have the same hierarchy for all of the classes with special properties. So let me just run a SPARQL query to show you that our system returns. So let me get station. So I'm typing station, and the station will have is associated with RDF type hydrogen. Let's assume it's hydrogen. So alt is our namespace that we're using for our RDF triples. So let's assume we want hydrogen gas station. So this is all of our hydrogen gas station. So let's assume we also want the name of the station. So I'll add another statement here. I'll use implicit join. So there's a property has name, which retrieves the name of the station. So if I put name and run this, Fort Lewis, I can even change this as electric. I can also run this query to get queries from a specific zip code. For example, I can write alt has zip and then 85281 and then run it. Okay, so malformed query, just my bad. So run and okay, so I need to store it in a okay, so this is all the stations in zip code 85281. So let's go ahead with the rest of the scripts where we use this app to give you like a front end to access all of these results. So the rest of the code will be explained by Puneet. Could you provide me the host link?
Hello everyone, I'm Puneet, and now I'm going to show you the implementation of our project. So first we'll run the Flask. Once it is once it has started on the port, we will also additionally start the React, and once the front end is working, it will pop up on our browser. Just wait a second. Yeah. So this is the front end. It will display all the features of our PitsGO, which is the easy fuel discovery. It will display the fuel type and availability, and the overall user experience is like easy to approach. So first, you'll go to the discover section. Once over there, the user will input their fuel type. So let's go with electric since that's the most common and like more abundant. And we will input our zip code. Once we search, it will show all the results that are nearby to the zip code. We can like choose any single one of them. But in situations where we have something else like biodiesel, which let's take a search, it could not fetch data because biodiesel is not available in that specific zip code. So it will display this text that it could not fetch data. And in other, like let's say for CNG, if it is available in this zip code, it will refresh the section. The previous results will be cleared out and it will show the new result. And over here, there is only one gas, like fuel station available. And that's why it will display the station over here. This is how the PitsGO will be functioning for the user. And thank you so much for watching. That's all.